With Thanksgiving right around the corner, we are going to be doing a turkey sweet potato skillet dish. This dish is perfect for those who may not have an oven but still want those signature Thanksgiving flavors. Start by cutting and dicing 1 yellow pepper. Dice half an onion. Skin and dice 1 large sweet potato. Now that we've prepped our ingredients, let's get started. We will be using the portable battery-powered induction stove, Chef, from Newr to cook this skillet dish. The great part about Chef is there are no cords, so you can make this dish anywhere. No oven? No problem. In a cast iron skillet, heat the olive oil over medium-high heat. Add the ground turkey to the skillet. Use a wooden spoon to break up the turkey as it cooks. Add some minced garlic to the skillet. Stir occasionally and cook until the turkey is browned. Now add the onions and yellow peppers. Cook until the onions are soft. Chef has 2 zones for cooking, an inner zone and an outer zone. Using the app, you can switch from using 2 zones to just the inner zone to focus the heat to the middle of the pan. This feature is incredibly useful to avoid burning or overcooking certain ingredients when adding to your dish. Now add the sweet potatoes to the skillet. Add a pinch of red chili flakes, salt, and pepper. Cover the skillet and cook until the sweet potatoes are tender. Don't forget to stir occasionally. If necessary, add more olive oil or a little bit of water to cook the sweet potatoes faster. Once the sweet potatoes are tender, you're ready to put the final touches on. Add some parsley to finish the dish. This last step is optional, but we added a half cup of shredded mozzarella cheese and let that melt into the dish. And there you have it. This ground turkey sweet potato dish is a great substitute for those without an oven this Thanksgiving. The dish takes about 25 minutes to make and is sure to fix your Thanksgiving cravings. Head to the description if you are interested in learning more about Chef, and be sure to check out some of our other videos to see what other recipes we've made on Chef. Thanks for watching.